Chris Appleton. And if you're wondering how good is Chris Appleton, well, his clients include Kim Kardashian, Jennifer Lopez, among many others. Is this like is gray or platinum in?
Well, gray is the new platinum.
Oh,
so,
it
you know,
is?
platinums before were always kind of very yellow.
Yeah.
Let me swap.
Okay. Yeah.
And I think now, like, bigger than ever, 2019 is about just super futuristic kind of blunt bob. So the style is actually really in that really blunt kind of crisp bob.
Yeah.
For me. But also this really kind of like icy platinum blonde. Now, it's not an easy look to pull off. Not everyone can pull off icy blonde just because, you know, it's strong on the features. But my hair is obviously naturally dark. And I actually think the contrast is sometimes, I don't know, I think it looks great. I like the contrast in between the dark eyebrows. I think everyone should play with blonde at least once. It can be damaging on the hair, so therefore, you know, you can play with extensions and pieces. But if you're going to go blonde, it's definitely an ash blonde this season.
Okay, and you've got some product up there. I love that product that you've got right there.
You're not obsessed with this, Dream Coat.
Dream Coat, y'all.
Dream Coat, Color Wow. This literally transforms texture. So you can see this is super glossy, glass-like texture. And I guess I've kind of become known for that, that really glossy hair. This is exactly what I use when I prep the hair. So I put it on the hair, blow dry it in, and it transforms it into this like mirror-like radiance. And you can see, guys, look how beautiful and glossy that is.
So when you're doing a Jennifer Lopez or a Kim Kardashian, do they say to you, hey, what should I do tonight? And you just give them ideas? Or how does it work?
I mean, I'm always like, what should we do tonight?
Oh, what should we do?
It's like, oh, we can just blow it out. I'm like, well, why don't we do a look? And I'm like, oh, okay, let's try. Do a look. I'm like, it's your job, let's do it.
Now, hair pieces, as you say, are in big time.
But also, what's big is luxury hair. Now, I kind of prep the hair with Velcro rollers. You remember old school, you know, Velcro rollers? Velcro rollers are a great way of just giving you a volume and giving you that looks finish. It's not necessarily curly. We've seen curly. This is about luxurious hair.
Yeah.
So not overly
shiny,
kind of done hair. It's just like gorgeous, sexy hair. Not everyone has that though. So I want to show you exactly how I would create that look. We've got a hairpiece here.
Look how that's
super
major.
Glossy and easy. I'm going to show you how exactly easy it is. This is like kind of how you transform the red carpet look. So you use the comb. You're just going to slide it in here, and then we literally just clip it down.
Yeah, I see.
A lot of people are kind of nervous of these pieces, but honestly, it can be as simple as just clipping it in. And then the beauty awaits. So let me just
look at this
in there. Let's see. Let's pull the mirror back.
Yeah.
There's a couple of pins. Just to kind of hide your little piece. Guys, it doesn't have to be difficult. And it can be simple. This is from Glam Seamless. So real hair, you can get them in synthetic as well, but just easy to do. Quick way of transforming hair for like red carpet.
And it feels amazing.
Yeah, she looks amazing.
Okay.
Really beautiful.
And lastly.
Okay, this is one of my favorite looks. Sexy hair's back. We've seen a lot of texture. You can see this really PC kind of undone look.
Yeah.
But you know what? 2019 is all about bangs. Like, everybody wants to play with the bangs. Yeah, everybody wants to play with the bangs. Because less of this, like, long, severe look and more of this texture.
All right, show how you get those bangs.
Clip-on bangs. Not many people want to keep a bang. So most people want to kind of keep a bang for a week. Every woman I kind of work with, they're like, let's do bangs, and a week later, they're growing it out. So this is just a great, quick way. Again, this is a Glam Seamless hair piece. You can get them from most kind of hair shops. You literally just clip it in. And then it's a case of just kind of moving it around so it looks more natural. Let me use this comb.
Love that.
Crazy.
That looks great, Chris. Awesome.
And it's kind of sexy.
Love it.
So you can make it longer, you can make it shorter, you can make it edgier, and it's just easy and quick to do. But before I go, I don't think you can leave without this. Last time, you literally, I got my hands on you finally.
By the way,
I've
never had a ponytail in my life. And there it was.
Look at that.
Oh my God.
How amazing.
Chris, we love you.